Hi everyone, welcome back to Ugly Confections and Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make 15 liters of foamy liquid soap, effective, budget friendly, and perfect for home or business use. Let's dive in. So these are the ingredients I'll be using: your XLS, Texapon, caustic soda, industrial salt, your sulfonic acid. Now please watch till the end so that you will get all the information you need. The measurements are on the screen. All right, so we need to dissolve all our ingredients. Yes, you need to dissolve everything. Please, when you are making this soap, make sure you wear your glove, your apron, your mask, nose masks, please, very important, because these are chemicals and I don't want you to harm yourself. Yes, please, when making this soap, try and keep away from your children and keep the chemicals away from your children. All right, so we need to dissolve all our ingredients one by one in water. Yes, and trust me, you need to mix. Yes, soap making is all about mixing. You need to mix very well. Right now, so we're in the stage of mixing in the tezapon in the sulfonic acid, and you need to mix to get to this whitish stage. Yes, when you start pouring in your industrial salt, it will feel like it's running, like it's not thickening. Don't worry, just keep on mixing. Trust the process. All right, yeah, I forgot to video when I was putting the caustic soda. So at this stage, you gradually add in your XLS, that is the dissolve XLS, that is your riser. Gradually, don't pour everything at once. Don't pour it at once. You gradually, bit by bit, you miss vigorously. Just trust the process. You will see that it's already getting thickening. Yes. One thing about this soap is that it's not going to be too thick because of the caustic soda. Yes, the caustic soda. But you know what? To be very foamy, as in it will kill any grease. Very, very foamy. For this recipe, I added little glycerin. Please, you can add more glycerin to protect your hands. Yes, you can use it to wash. You can use this recipe to wash. It's multi-purpose soap. It's a multi-purpose soap, so you can use it for washing your laundry, washing plates, cleaning the floor. And you'll notice that I did not use nitrosol. Yes, I prefer using industrial salt as my thickener because I prefer the texture. I don't like the texture of nitrous one. It's kind of gummy. All right, so at this stage, if you are a new subscriber, you're welcome. You are welcome. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more. Our soap is ready, and we're checking for the ladder. You can see it ladders very well. Thank you for watching. Bye.